Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if this is your first time here. I am here with a little haul, a couple of different places. Dollar Tree, Michael's, and Creative Members. Small each, but I'm going to show it to you in this haul, and feel free to like and subscribe and come back and check me out anytime you like. Guess what? And it's free. I don't charge a penny. So let's see, Dollar Tree. These are nothing new, but I did pick up the stencil, and this is shaped like a little flower. And on the back, you have your camera. You have the Eiffel Tower. A camera, Eiffel Tower suitcase, a globe with a airplane, travel, and then it says "Good Trip." We have the map and the point. So just some little icons. So that's what that was. And of course, you can use these and turn these around to access that. And I think I may already have this one, but this is a square one, and this one just has different background, which are great for modeling, using modeling paste on. Of course, you can just change those, and you can see the different designs. You can stencil, paint, do all kinds of stuff to those. And for $1, you can't beat it. Yeah, they'll get stained, but you still can't beat it. The only other thing else I picked up from there were these rub-on leaves. I just like the fall colors in them, that nice orange that's being picked up in there. So I got those. I had to go to Michael's to pick up my order from Creative Members. They shipped it to Michael's, which is near my house. So, because I guess I wasn't home. Normally they leave it on my porch, but today they decided to send it, well, yesterday they decided to send it to Michael's. So when I went to go pick my stuff up, I decided to go walk around the store. And I picked up this paint by numbers kit, which was on clearance for $5. This is a 20 by 16, so it was a nice size. And I thought this would be nice for my grandson to work on. He hasn't done any painting. He likes to draw with markers, but I thought this might be good to just see, try something else different, especially when it was on clearance instead of paying, what, $30? I'd rather pay $5. But I thought it'd be something to do, because he spends all day long on Zoom doing school. This would be something to get his mind off of that and off of being off electronics. Now, I had this a couple weeks ago with my girl Lisa. Hey, Lisa. This influencer from Miss Little Scrappy. She had showed this, and I put it back. I picked it up, walked around the store, put it back. And today, when I went back in the store, I picked it up again. And I said, okay, yeah, I'm going on get it. So I went on and got it. So thanks, Lisa. And then I just got some more HEG tape while I was in there. And then I got my order that I went to get from, I went over there to Michael's, which was my Creative Memories order. And this was a small order I got this week. I already have the border maker system, but I wanted to get another one. Mine is about 15 years, still works. Mine is not the blue though, I have the other color, but I wanted another one as backup just in case anything happens to mine, and I use this a lot with my scrapbooking, and I really enjoy it. And I make borders, so boom. So they had a special, you get the set, and it comes with the picket fence, and then you can get another cartridge, which was the bridge or the apple, which I have both of those. Oh, I'm sorry, can you see me? It came with the this cartridge right here, which is like a picket fence or ribbon feel. I forgot the name of it, but that's what it comes with. But the promotion, you can get another border maker cartridge with it, and each one of these cartridges are $18.50. So the two of these cartridges alone is $37, and this is only $35. So you have the choice of getting this apple chain free or the bridge chain free, which I got this one because even though I have the other two, I have both of these, but I have all three of these, but I chose this one as my extra free one because this one you can layer, whereas the bridge one I don't need to layer, so I wouldn't need to cut that at one time. But this one I can be cutting two out, since you can layer the apples and make them different colors. So that's why I did that. And so the border maker system is just like what it says, is how you make borders. And You use this to do that. Very easy system to do. Quick way to create a background on your scrapbook layouts. So I was happy to get another one of these, and like I said, they had that special to get the extra one. And then on top of that, I ended up getting the another one that just came out, which is the mirrored scallops chain, and it looks like that. And you'll see them on some of my scrapbook layouts and stuff. Just haven't had time to do the videos of them, but I'm working on that. And this week, well, last week, the first week of November, they had a promotion running because it was the anniversary. And if you spent $75, you get this free cookie cutter. And you get this free scrapbooking ideas and sketches. And they also had, if you spent, I think it was $125, you got an advent calendar with goodies each one of the days of the countdown. And then they also gave me a $10 promotion fee because of my birthday month, as well as theirs. So this was nice just to have a scrapbook, nice paper. Scrapbook layouts of just some inspiration right at your fingertips to do. So that was kind of nice to have that, and you know, it talks about how to use them and all that kind of stuff. Like this one too, you can make this on your own, or you can use the recipe template. And so yeah, and they show you what they use. So I just thought it was really cool to get that for free, because I'm down about, you know, having some inspiration. So it's 110 scrapbooking ideas and sketches, and I didn't have to pay a dime for that, or this cookie cutter. And then the only other thing I purchased, which I always purchase these, I love these recipe templates, and this is the Starflake. So you can use this so many different ways, and that's why I love this. It's such a quick, easy layouts. But you can also use this in a collage. It doesn't necessarily, you don't have to use pictures on it, but of course, you know, that's what scrapbookers do. But, you know, and they show you which areas they highlighted, but you could do different areas, just the circle. You could do pieces of it, a corner of it, like how they did that layout over there versus that layout over there. You can check the blog for different ideas and stuff as well, but it's a lot of different ways you can do this, and a lot of the templates you can turn them around different directions, and sometimes you get a different look depending on the particular template that you have. So I think these are very versatile, they're very affordable, and they are durable. I have some, you know, that actually, I have one that is what, 15 years old, something like that. Yeah, because I got it when I got my other border maker system. Still perfect condition. This is Mylar, and it's good, so it's reusable. And so, yep. Like I said, you can, if you want to use it as a regular stencil and color through it, you know, with your inks or your paints or whatever, dab through it, you can do that too. It may stain it, but I haven't done that. But I'm just saying you could use your markers to draw around it and too. So you can use this a lot of different ways. It doesn't just have to be with pictures, but again, I just love the versatility of it. So you can use it in your mixed media. And then this one was a specialty layout, which is what they call a project recipe, which means they give you all of the cutting designs for free on how to cut a layout. And since November is typically the grateful month, you know, people do the 30 days of thankfulness, gratefulness, they had a special promotion for that. And so this is the I Am Grateful collection, and I knew I wanted it when I saw it, especially because it came with this template, which I'll show you in just a second. But it came with this project recipe, which is the cutting guide to show you how to make it. And they come up with some layouts, quick and easy layouts to show you how to do them, and which papers and everything involved in it. So again, you don't have to use these. This is just a suggestion guide, because sometimes when you get paper, you get overwhelmed. You don't know, how am I going to scrap what I want to do, blah, blah, blah. So they always can give you inspiration, which is really great. But you're not limited to that. You can use your paper for whatever. It doesn't even have to be in layouts. It could be for any other paper craft, cards, tags, any 3D projects, etc. But these are the stickers that go along with it. You have your border stickers, and then you have your sentiments and some icons. Thankful, joy, grateful makes everything glow. Gratitude, love, blessed. Begin each day with a grateful heart. Dream If you want to find happiness, find gratitude. So they all have some wonderful inspirational quotes, which I thought was great. And then they have the paper, and you get 2 of each, and they're double-sided. All the Creative Members papers are double-sided. So this already is set up for you to do a layout on the other side, but you don't have to. So you could just use that side, or you could do a layout like that, or like that. You could do it however you want to do it. And then you have this paper. That's the front of that. And you can see it's got like diamonds in it, like an argyle. This is kind of got like a scalloped look. And again, you can go online and click on it, and it will show you up close how each one of these looks. So you get 2 of each. And you got this one, and this is like a little grid dot paper. You could do a lot of journaling, and then you have it over here too. You got your little square box, and these could each be cut out if you like, and use as tags or something like that. Or you can make a mosaic if you want to and put pictures on it. So you can do all kinds of things with those pieces of paper as well. And then the last 2 pieces has cut-aparts, and they get cut apart. And again, this is a way for you to journal. It has a list of 32 things. So hey, maybe I'm gonna say leap year, but leap year only has 29 days. But anyway, it gives you up to 32 of things that you can be thankful for. And some journaling spots, gratitude, thankful, activities that bring me joy. One thing I'm grateful for today, I'm most excited about, people I'm grateful for, 3 things that cheer me up on a rough day. So this is a nice, especially the times that we're living in. You can use this side, and you also have this side you can journal on as well, or you can cut it apart. So you have all of these in your collection. So you have 8 sheets of paper, and then it also came with a stencil, which again, you can use this to journal, or you can cut out. You can put pictures in here, and then our custom cutting circles that we have fit these circles, or you can use our circle cutter. We have either one of those systems will fit it. This can fit our gemstone custom cutting system as well. But yeah, so this was a no-brainer for me. I knew I wanted to get this stencil because the only way to get this stencil is if you get this paper collection. So I did that, and that all comes together in this one collection. And I will be putting that together for the 30 days of November, which is a grateful month. So anyway, check out my website if you like to. My link will be below. And if you have any questions about anything or would like to see anything, just let me know. And thank you for those who have purchased from a website. I've actually got a few hits off from it. So yay, I appreciate that. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.